Yeah, good afternoon all. Today we are going to do revision of material variances as per US CMA. I have selected three different sums. Three different sums. Why three different sums? Definitely just to explain you the three different types. Can anyone let me know what are the three different types of material variances?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, three types means पहले तो एक है कि there is only one type of material
be loud.
involved. Hello, sir, am I audible now?
Yes, very well.
So first type is when there is one type of material used.
Correct.
The second one there is two types of material
Your voice
used.
has gone again.
Hello.
Yes, perfect.
Just a second.
Yeah,
Hello, sir, am I audible now?
correct. Hello.
हाँ. So
Hmm.
the second type is when there is there are two material, more than one material
Ah,
involved.
ah.
And the third one is when there is again two more than two material, but there is some condition where there is like TSQ is not equal to TAQ.
Right, right. Very good. Chalo, great. Now, very first type, as Mayank rightly stated, when only one type of material. When there is only one type of material, remember, you need to calculate only three variances. First is material price variance. Second is material quantity variance. And third is total variance. Now, material price variance, the formula is SP minus AP into AQ. What is the formula for material quantity variance? SQ
SQ minus
minus
AQ, the whole into
AQ.
SP.
Go ahead.
AQ, the whole into SP, standard
SP.
price.
Yeah. What is the total variance formula?
Material price variance plus material quantity variance.
Total of, correct, material price variance plus material quantity variance. Fantastic. Now, just for your knowledge, since you people have taken an additional step of revising it, I would like to also tell you, if I add material price variance formula with material quantity variance formula, then it will become in this manner. SP into SQ minus AP into AQ. मैंने क्या किया? मैंने सिर्फ और सिर्फ मटेरियल प्राइस वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला और मटेरियल क्वांटिटी वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला को क्लब किया. दैट्स ऑल. बाकी कुछ नहीं. इट इज ऑल वन एंड द सेम. तो टोटल वेरिएंस का फॉर्मूला ऐसा भी समझ सकते हो, SP into SQ minus AP into AQ. In short, if you want to understand what I'm trying to say, I mean standard cost of material for actual output minus actual cost of actual output for as I say normally, okay, please don't write. I will definitely share this sheet with you. Just pay attention. So this was the stuffs जहां तक वेरिएंस का सवाल है. If I sum up, the frankly speaking, I require three things: SP, SQ, AP, AQ. सर अगर मुझे ये चार चीजें मिल गई, if I got this four things, then I can find out all the variances. Okay, sure. Let's see the first sum. Yeah, let me finish. SP is nothing but standard price of the material. SQ is standard quantity for actual output. AP is actual price of the material, and AQ is actual quantity consumed. Okay. Now let's go on sum number one. It is Rex Limited produces 10 units by consuming 100 units, which are bought for $1 per unit. Rex produced 10,000 units by consuming 52,000 units at a total cost of 51,600. So how to do it? At a cost of 51,600, find all the material variances. So can I say, I generally tell students SP is generally given in the question. At what you were supposed to buy? I was supposed to buy at $1. So $1 is my SP. AP. AP, sir, AP is not given. AP is not given. AC divided by AQ. AQ is given. Yes, AQ is how much? 52,000. 52,000. So AC is how much? 51,600 divided by 52,000. This is your AP. Sir, AP is not a perfect number. Okay, no problem. Yeah, how to find SQ? So this is the most difficult part. So always remember, according to standard, they might give you something of input and something of output. Very weird data I have used so that all such confusion which arises in the question gets solved out. You should be very, very confident. If you're applying these principles very right, be confident you are on the right track. They might give you some standard data. They might give you in the question, I'm sorry, I used the word called might. Sorry. They will give you. It's not might, they will. Okay. So here they have given produces 10 units. When they say produce, we always produce output. 10 units by consuming, that means using 100 units. Now, standard data you have written, you have to write actual output in the output column. You have to write actual output in the actual column. Yes, what is the actual output? Sir, actually, I have produced 10,000 units. So tell me how many units I am supposed to produce. How will I find out? How will I find
Cross
out?
multiplication.
Cross multiplication. Please find it.
So 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Perfect.
1 lakh.
Perfect. One lakh. Perfect. Okay. Now, sir, I got all the four things. Frankly speaking, I can find all the variances. I will find MPV. I will find MQV. And I will also find total variance. Sir, MPV's formula is SP minus AP into AQ. MQV's formula is SQ minus AQ into SP. And this, you can write any which one formulas and you will get the same answer. Now I want you to calculate and tell me what the answer is. What is the formula? What is the answer for MPV? Yeah, please.
Sir, 100.
Sorry.
Sir, I got 100. 100 favorable.
100 favorable. Okay. 100 favorable. What about others? Sir, it's very simple. I am applying the formula SP minus AP into AQ. It's 400 favorable. It's 400 favorable. Mayank?
The calculation mistake. I actually took 10,000 instead of 52,000.
Sorry.
Sir, I took 10,000 instead of 52,000.
Ah, you should take.
Mistake.
Yeah. Everyone got 400 favorable because it is positive. It is favorable. It's negative. Let me tell you, negative. US CMA people use unfavorable. In India, we use adverse, but US CMA students or US CMA Institute, they use the word as unfavorable variance for negative variance, not adverse. Then, sir, this is not a problem. Generally, every student gets it right. SQ minus AQ into SP.
So 48,000.
48,000 favorable, correct? 48,000 favorable.
So total will be 4,400.
Okay. Yeah, total will be 48,400 because 48,000 favorable and 400 favorable. So 48,400 favorable. I will rather use the formula for the first time. Yeah, 48,400 favorable. This is the entire sum number 1. Very clear, all of you? Any student having any query? Yeah, you can ask me. Always remember, be confident. If you have understood this sum, you can solve any sum which is of one material. Only this four data and this three variances can be found. There cannot be more variances. Only these three variances. You cannot find material mix variance. You cannot find material yield variance. Am I very clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. So one doubt.
Yeah, please.
Sir, can we round off the decimals that AP has actual price to like 0.99? Because if I use 0.99, it gives me the variance, the material quantity variance as total variance as 48,520.
Right question. Let me tell you. If you remember, I always told you, please do not use two decimal. Use four decimals. So let me use this four decimal. 1 minus 0.9923 into 52,000. See, I am 400.4. That is 400. I'm very, very near to the accurate number. Am I clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Use at least four decimals. When you want to round up to the four decimals. That will give you more appropriate and accurate answer. Yeah. Any more queries? So if this is 400.4, then your total variance will also come 48,400.4. See, if you want, just I will check it. I'll do it for you. 1 into 1 lakh minus 0.9923 into 52,000. See, everything will be matched. So it will be 48,400. Remember, don't keep your variances in decimal. Remember, don't keep your variances in decimal. Any more queries to anyone? Okay.
Sir, rather than doubt, just one thing in the Hawk textbook.
Better be loud.
Sir, in the Hawk textbook, actually, the only difference is the formula is like opposite. Like you
Correct.
said, the
They have
formula.
used the formula as AP minus SP into AQ,
AQ.
and AQ minus SQ into
SQ
SQ.
into SP. So
Yeah.
the
But
actually for
when the
them,
answer comes, they write the opposite thing. When the
correct.
answer comes, they write the opposite thing. What do I mean by that? When the answer comes, they write opposite thing, means if their answer comes positive, they write unfavorable, and if the answer comes negative, they write favorable. Check it out, please. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So don't worry, we are also on right track. Okay? Great. Chalo, next. Next is when second type, when more than one type of material but TSQ equals to TAQ. So what is TSQ and what is TAQ? What is TSQ?
Total standard quantity, total standard quantity and total actual quantity.
Perfect. Total standard quantity is TSQ. Total actual quantity is TAQ. Okay. So let's go for the second sum. WES West Limited, according to standard, consumes following material for producing 15,000 units of finished goods. So this is the standard data which has been done for producing 15,000 units. Actually, following was the consumed for producing 2,70,000 units of finished goods. ऊपर डेटा दिया है 15,000 यूनिट्स बनाने के लिए इतना क्वांटिटीज लगता है और हमने एक्चुअली बनाया 2,70,000 जिसके लिए डेटा ये है. They are telling you to calculate relevant variances. In this scenario, this everything will come the same. Everything will come the same, but material quantity variance is also called as material mix variance. Material quantity variance will be also called as material mix variance. Am I very clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Let's go ahead then. I want it for X, I want it for Y and total. SP, SQ, AP, AQ. SP. SP is 12 and 10 for X and Y. Okay. Whereas actually 11, 11. AQ 2,50,000 and 1,10,000. We need to find SQ. Why? Because they have given standard for 15,000 units, right? And we are doing it for 2,70,000. So X, Y, and output. They are saying use 15,000 for X, use 5,000 for Y, then you produce totally 15,000 units. Is that very, very clear, all of you? Are you noticing?
Yes, sir.
Are you noticing? I am keeping some numbers same so that there arises confusion and I can clear all this. There is 15,000 in the left hand side also, 15,000 on the right hand side also. This 15,000 output is given here. See, I am highlighting that. And 15,000 X, I am using it here. I hope it is very, very clear, all of you.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, if this is
Yes,
given for 15,000, I have produced 2,70,000. So how much? Cross multiply. And you will get for X, you will get for Y. I want an answer.
सर
Yes, please.
सर वो 2,70,000 कैसा है, जरा एक्सप्लेन करिए ना वापस से।
2,70,000 तो इधर दिया है ना बेटा।
ओ अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
सर एक्स का आ रहा है
2,70,000 और y का 90,000।
ओके, वन मिनट है बेटा।
Right, sir. 90 and 2,70,000.
टू
Yes.
एक्स के लिए आ रहा है कितना बोला आपने?
2,70,000।
2,70,000.
2,70,000 एंड वाई के लिए कितना आ रहा है?
90,000।
90,000. Now let's do the totaling, please. 3,60,000. If you check out your TSQ is equal to TAQ. Total standard quantity is equal to total actual quantity. Very good. Very good, Nidhi. You're going very good, beta. Nidhi is giving all answers in the chat box. Very good. I'm proud. Now, sir, I will use the same formulas MPV, MQV, which is also called as MMV, and total variance. The formulas will be same, which will be used for as many material. So here there are two materials, so I will have to use 2 times, and then I will add both of them. So it is SP minus AP into AQ. Then SQ minus AQ into SP. And this will be, sir, all are favorable.
4,90,000.
All are favorable. And in Y, all are adverse. In Y, all are adverse. And these are the variances. Because I use Excel, so it is faster. So, MPV, 2,50,000 for X, favorable. 1,10,000 for Y, adverse. Hence, total MPV variance due to price is 140,000 favorable. All are favorable variances. That means company has had a profit on account of material variances. Quantity 240,000 favorable for X, 200,000 adverse for Y, due to which net 40,000 for material quantity, or you can say material mix variance. Total you have 1,80,000 favorable. Very clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you understood all? So, for the
Yes.
third sum, that is when more than one type of material, TSQ not equals to TAQ, we will solve it in the next video.